I've made well over 7 figures selling on Amazon, and what I credit this to is having a bulletproof way to find suppliers every single time I need another one. And in this video, I'm gonna show you a method that costs $0 for you to find your first profitable supplier so you can start making money on Amazon. And even better, I'm gonna give you my exact phone script and email script that I've used to get in contact with these suppliers that most of the time won't ever reply to you. So make sure you stay until the end of this video to get that script, and let's dive into my computer. All right, guys, so we're here in Google Maps, and this is actually one of my favorite ways to find a supplier simply because you're using where you live to your advantage. You got to think about it. If you're using websites like Wholesale Central or any website where you can find a supplier, there's people all over the world that have access to that website that are competing for the same suppliers. But when using Google Maps, we're going to use your local area to your advantage, and you're going to have way less competition getting accounts with these suppliers than anywhere else. Because, for example, I live in Atlanta. Right now, I'm in my Miami spot, but if you live in New York, you're not going to see the same suppliers that I'm seeing in Miami using this Google Maps strategy. There are suppliers that are exclusive to you based on where you live, and this Google Maps strategy allows you to capitalize on that. On my computer, we are here on Google Maps, and you can see that currently I'm in Miami, and I'm just going to type in grocery distributors, and you can basically type in any Amazon category. So go to Amazon.com, go to the categories, and any category you can type in to this Google Maps search bar. So you could type in pets distributors, and make sure to put the word distributors after the category name. So you can type in electronics distributors, pets distributors, books distributors, any Amazon category works. I'm gonna just go with grocery distributors. Actually, I'm gonna go health and household distributors. That's the actual name on Amazon. And when I type this in, you can see that 2 distributors popped up that are close to me. And what we wanna do is we wanna go to the websites of each one of these distributors and see if they have name brand products. Because remember, guys, we don't wanna sell generic products from China or just generic products that are not branded. We only want to sell products from brands that people already know, like, and trust. And just by looking at this website right here, I can already tell that this is a supplier that we don't want to work with, which is cool. You're going to go through probably 80% of the suppliers that pop up here. You're not going to want to work with because they're suppliers that only work with like retail chains. Now we're going to look at this one right here, and look at this, guys. This isn't common that the second one you click on is probably going to be a good one, but for the purpose of this video, I'm glad this happened. This is a supplier that I would actually reach out to. So this is PJ Distributors here in Miami. You can see that on this website, they have products from Dove, a very big brand. They have products from Moco de Gorilla, which is a big brand, right? And we also, if we keep going, they have products from Snuggle. You see, you got Lay's products here, Pringle, Arizona Tea. These are all products from big brands that you would see in stores like Target, Walmart, Kroger, which is exactly what we want. That means that this supplier has products from brands that people know, like, and trust, and they have them at a wholesale discount. Now that we've identified that this is a supplier that we want to work with, we want to contact this supplier. So you see, by scrolling all the way to the bottom, it has the email of the supplier and it has the phone number. Now, what you want to do is you want to use this script right here. So this is actually a document that I created that I give to all of the people in my program. And this exact script right here has landed hundreds and hundreds of wholesale accounts for the members in my program. So this stuff works. I would recommend you send them an email using this exact email script right here that simply says, with the subject line, wholesale account inquiry, hey, I'm looking for information regarding opening a wholesale account with your brand and carrying your products. Can you please tell me what you need for my business to get started? I attached my resale certificate in case you need it, and my contact details are below. Thanks. Now, keep in mind, guys, you need an LLC and a reseller's permit to open up a wholesale account with these suppliers. If you don't have that, I actually have a video where I go over that on my channel, and I'll throw that video link up here. But to get an LLC and a reseller's permit, just to summarize it for you, all you have to do is go to the Secretary of State website for wherever you live. So for example, if you live in Florida, you would simply go to Google and type in Florida Secretary of State, and on that website you would purchase an LLC. I know in Georgia an LLC is about $200. I'm not sure what the price is in Florida, but the prices vary depending on what state you live in. And to get a reseller's permit or a sales tax certificate, it's called different things in different states. You would just type in the name of your state and then type in Department of Revenue, and on that website you would go and get your reseller's permit or sales tax certificate. In Georgia it's free. Not sure about Florida, and again, it varies per state, but for the most part, I know that this reseller's permit is very, very cheap. Once you have those 2 things, you can then email this distributor or call them and use the script that I'm showing you right here. So this is the email script, and then I would also call them and say, hey, who would I speak to about getting a price list emailed to me so that I can put a possible wholesale order together? Okay. Now, if they ask these questions, where do you sell? Do you have a retail store? Do you have a website? This is what you're going to respond with. Yes, of course. Amazon is one of our largest sales channels, and we also sell on Walmart and eBay. Do you work directly with any Amazon sellers? And if you do, does your company have a MAP policy that you make sellers follow? Now, a MAP policy is the minimum advertised price that you can sell it for on Amazon. And most of the time, they're not going to have a MAP policy. But the reason why you want to reply like that is so you come off as someone that knows what they're talking about. Now, if you want that exact script that you saw in this video, you can click the link down below in the description. I've included the phone script and email script for you for free that you can go ahead and download. And if you want my team's help, one-on-one coaching to get you to the next level with this Amazon business and get similar results as to Terrell, that was able to quit his State Farm job making over 6 figures and is now making 6 figures from home, or Christopher, who is full-time in the Army making $40,000 a month using our methods, then go ahead and click the link down below in the description as well and book a call with our team. And I look forward to speaking with you.